warm, inviting community requires a physical place where people can gather together to play, learn, connect, and truly belong. Yet over the last few decades, localized spaces dedicated purely to community participation have quietly vanished from our local neighborhoods. Without a shared physical gathering point, that absence leaves a vacuum, resulting in widespread isolation. The direct response to this isolation is the House of Blessing, a local center of participation. These are physical sanctuaries built to foster consistent human connection. The core challenge is finding a clear way to intentionally rebuild and activate these specific local sanctuaries on a global scale. Because true human connection does not happen by accident, rebuilding a community requires a deliberate structural approach to physical spaces. DreamPlay is a premium movement designed to build the participation economy. This movement is distinct from a business opportunity or a compensation plan. It operates without crypto, and it is strictly separate from gambling or casino mechanics. The first phase of this activation begins with the Founder Sprint. Looking at this global grid, the immediate goal of the Founder Sprint is to successfully open the first 3,125 founding community centers. The dedicated individuals who step up to activate these first centers will set the trajectory for the entire ecosystem that follows. Every large-scale movement relies on a dedicated initial wave to set an unshakable foundation. A functioning House of Blessing relies on three main roles to operate. The first role is the founding builder. These are the individuals who help communities start strong. A single founding builder supplies and supports up to 5 community centers, providing the necessary backing, sponsors, and activities. That support flows to the second role, community center owners. These individuals operate a single local physical space. Owners welcome participants, host games, and support local scholars to create a measurable local impact. The final role is the participants, the people who bring the center to life by playing, learning, and connecting within the space. A thriving center is the living architecture of builders supporting, owners hosting, and participants playing. To activate participation within the system, DreamPlay credits serve as the internal connective tissue. These credits are a tool for games and engagement, but the actual mission is the participation itself. This creates a house of blessing where people arrive to receive new opportunities. The value of the ecosystem is measured purely by the life, learning, and connection happening inside those open doors. This moment marks the beginning of a deliberate effort to change how neighborhoods function. The dedicated builders, the local owners, and the active participants who step forward together today will establish the participation economy. You are invited to choose your role as a builder, as an owner, or a participant. Join the Founder Sprint to help build the first 3,125 founding community centers. Bringing a place of belonging to the world starts with your simple decision to participate today.